So I will go through the different data assets that we have integrated into Organicity from the city of Santander. In Santander we have assets of different natures. We have assets that are from sensors that we have deployed in the city. We have data assets that we integrate for the CCAN platform that the municipality has. We have also assets that are generated by the citizens when using the smartphone application. So we have different kind of assets. As you can remember, in Santander we had when we did the co-creation activities with the different stakeholders that were involved at the beginning of the Organicity project, we identified three city challenges. The first one is the mobility challenge. So that we have information from the traffic cameras in the city. In total, there are 4 traffic cameras that provides you information about the camera and also almost real-time image of that the status of the traffic. The traffic intensity sensors. These are sensors that are deployed in the main entrance of the city. If you are familiar with the Santander city, they are located in La Marga entrance and in the highway. The traffic congestion in the city comes from the inductive loops that the municipality deployed a long time ago. Those traffic congestion information is gathered from the result of an experiment in a previous project that was Santander. So that based on the counts that they do with the inductive loops, they are able to decide what is the status in the different streets of the city. So we will provide you polylines with a status of a dense fluid or the status of the traffic. We have also sensors deployed in the city center. These sensors are ferromagnetic sensors that feed data to our Smart Santander platform, and therefore we integrate these parking sensors into Organicity. These sensors, you have the location plus the current status of the parking spot. Sometimes the information is not so accurate because the parking places are not limited. So depending on the size of the cars, maybe they are not parking in the correct place, so sometimes you get some errors because of that. So we have also data from an API provided by the private companies that are running indoor parkings. So we have the information about the 12 indoor parking facilities in the city, plus the number of parking spots that are available in those places. Okay, so from the CCAN platform that the municipality has, we get the areas of the 30 zones. These areas are limited to a maximum of 30 kilometers per hour. So that if you are planning to create an application with mobility, this information is also available. The only concern in this particular case is that I think that we need to change the coordinates because they come from another year system. We have information about the load and unload areas in these parking places, so you can integrate them. And also, I don't think it is included here, but we have the parking spaces for people with disabilities. Regarding to the transportation, we have the information from the bus lines in Santander, the routes, and also the bus stops. So all this information is provided by an API that the municipality company of buses in Santander is exposing to us. For the taxi stops, we have information about the location of the taxi stop, plus the current situation of the taxi stop. So you will know how many taxis you have available at a particular instant. The same happens with the bike stops. We get information from the existing bike stops that we have for the rental service, and this provides you information about how many bikes are available, how many places are free that you can park, and so on. The bike lanes provides you polylines about where we have bike lanes in the city of Santander. Regarding to the neighborhood improvement, we have these districts and sections. For those that are not familiar with how the cities are distributed in Spain, depending on the population, we divide the cities in
Veronica, we lost you. No, it's okay.
So in this,
now it's okay. Can you repeat? We lost you for 10 seconds maybe.
Okay, so I was explaining the districts and sections. In Spain, we divide the cities in districts. So in the case of Santander, the city is divided in 8 districts, and within these districts, we have different sections. So we provide all the areas for these for all these districts and sections, so you can play with them when deciding things about the city or the activity that you are carrying out, or so on. The Page of the City event came from the Page of the City application that we developed in Smart Santander. This application permits citizens to report incidents or to publish different type of events happening in the city. So that with a list of predefined events, citizens in Santander are able to take a photo, send a message, and geolocate the event. So all this information is available for you to experiment with it. For sure, the name of the users and the information related to the device that has sent this event is not available to you all, but the information related to the event, you have the information, and also we will provide you a link to know the status that this incident has at the municipality. So in real time, based on a link that we will provide, you will see if the incident has been attended or how they are dealing with. This information is in Spanish. Sorry for the foreigners. Shopping information comes from the Commercio Santander initiative. There are more than 2,000 shops integrated in this initiative. This initiative is maintained by the municipalities, so there is a specific office in the city that every time that a new shop opens in the city, they visit them and offer their services. So all the information about the shops in the city is updated through this Commercial Santander. So you can use it in your experiment as well. The news are data feeds that are generated by the Municipality of Santander. The bad thing is that they are not geolocated, so you just get the news. We can differentiate the news between the different areas of government in the municipality, but there is not any geolocation included in this news. And also we have the cultural agenda. The cultural agenda is generated by the Santander AUNA or the Santander Creative Foundation, whatever you want to call it. And this is a rich agenda that has all the events in the city of Santander, so they maintain it, and also there is an application that you can get access to them. So this information is also available to you, and in this case you have geolocation information about the events. You will see that there is a rich information for every event, and also they link to their own pages to show you more info about the events. Regarding to the environment challenge, we of course are exposing the fixed and mobile devices that we have deployed in Smart Santander. So you have temperature, luminosity, air quality, air quality, noise. So you have and also devices, air quality devices deployed in buses, in taxis, and also in the vehicles of the park and garden services. So you will get information, environmental information from different areas of the cities. And also we will provide information about the beaches and the park and gardens that is periodized information that we have from the Smart Santander RA application. So more or less these are the assets. So if you find that there is something that is needed for your experiment, do not hesitate to contact us. So and if we go to the documentation that we have provided for the assets, following the approach that the data model that Evangelos has explained before, you can browse, for example, the vehicle sensors, different kind of data assets that we have in Santander. We have tried to complete all the information regarding to the description of how these measurements have been carried out, because our experience is that when people want to get access to the Smart Santander census, for example, the first thing that we use to receive a question is, okay, we are providing the traffic intensity, but what does this number mean? So we have tried to explain you that the measurement has been calculated in the last minute, or depending on the sensor, we are explaining everything about the context of the measurement. So you will get all the information in here. So there are some assets missing in this documentation, but we will try to update this page as soon as possible with all the data assets in Santander. Okay.